What if you could hold the future in your hands, fold it neatly into a sleek device that redefines what we expect from smartphones? That's exactly what the OnePlus Open 2 is promising to deliver. Foldable phones are no longer a futuristic concept. They're here, and they're evolving fast. While Samsung has long reigned supreme in this space with its Galaxy Z Fold lineup, the question is, can the OnePlus Open 2 dethrone the king? Stick around as we unfold the story behind OnePlus' latest masterpiece and explore how it's setting the stage for a new era of foldable technology. Foldable smartphones have come a long way from being bulky, fragile experiments to devices that are redefining productivity and portability. Samsung, the pioneer of this category, has made steady but cautious progress. However, OnePlus seems to be taking a bold leap forward with the Open 2. Rumored to be the slimmest foldable ever created, it's challenging everything we thought we knew about this form factor. Imagine a foldable phone so thin that even the ultra-slim iPad Pro feels bulky in comparison. That's exactly what leaks suggest about the Open 2, and it's just the beginning of what makes this device a potential game changer. Now let's talk about usability. One of the biggest criticisms of foldables has been their weight and bulkiness. Samsung has tried to address this with each iteration, but progress has been slow. Enter the OnePlus Open 2. With its impossibly thin profile, it not only raises the bar for foldable design, but also sets a new standard for portability and elegance. And here's the kicker. It achieves this without sacrificing features or performance. Unlike competitors that strip down features to save on weight, OnePlus is packing this device with everything users could want, proving that you don't have to compromise. Speaking of packing a punch, the OnePlus Open 2 boasts a massive 5,900 mAh battery, a 23% increase over its predecessor. For a foldable device, this is groundbreaking. Foldable phones traditionally struggle with battery life because of their dual-screen setup, but the Open 2 not only addresses this issue, but also outperforms the competition. Add to that the inclusion of 50W wireless charging and a staggering 80W wired charging, and you have a device that's ready to power through your day with minimal downtime. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, this level of battery performance is a game changer. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open 2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a leap forward. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, the Elite chipset offers unmatched power and efficiency. Pair that with 16 gigabytes of RAM and generous storage options, and you've got a device that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether it's running multiple apps side by side or editing high-resolution videos, the Open 2 promises a seamless and powerful experience. Cameras are often an Achilles heel for foldable phones, but not this time. The Open 2 features a triple 50MP camera setup designed to rival even traditional flagship smartphones. While Samsung has leaned heavily on AI-driven image processing, OnePlus is focusing on hardware. The result? Crisp, detailed shots, even in low-light conditions. For photography enthusiasts who've hesitated to jump on the foldable bandwagon, the Open 2 might just be the device that changes their minds. Durability is another area where foldables have faced criticism. Fragile displays and limited water resistance have made users wary of investing in these premium devices. OnePlus, however, is addressing these concerns head-on. The Open 2 comes with an official water resistance rating, offering peace of mind against spills and splashes. It's a small but significant step that could make a big difference for hesitant buyers. So, where does this leave the competition? Samsung, Google, and others have dominated the foldable space, but the OnePlus Open 2 poses a serious threat. Its thinner and lighter design, superior battery life, cutting-edge performance, and competitive pricing make it a compelling alternative. And let's not forget the brand's reputation for delivering flagship experiences at more accessible price points. For Samsung, especially, this should serve as a wake-up call. Rumors suggest the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold May 7th lose key features like the S Pen, a move that could make the Open 2 even more attractive. What does the future hold for foldable phones? The OnePlus Open 2 is not just another entry into this space, it's a statement. a statement that foldables can be practical, durable, and cutting-edge without compromising on style or performance. It pushes the boundaries of what we expect from smartphones, challenging competitors to innovate further. As we wait for the official launch, one thing is clear. The OnePlus Open 2 isn't just a phone. It's a bold vision for what the future of foldable technology can be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.